So I cannot even begin to explain how excited I am about having this shed. I am just so excited to dream up so many spaces and events and gatherings in this Tuff Shed, and it's just going to be an extension of our home, and I am so excited to like open its doors and let everybody in to all the fun that's going to take place. As far as the installation process, it was super easy for me. I personally didn't have to do anything but witness the entire magic happen, but it was very impressive to see the crew work together and be able to get this amazing structure up in just 2 days. Like that in itself is mind-blowing to me. It's just easy. It was easy to have a crew who was professional, who knew exactly what they were doing, come in and just get the job done. And it takes a lot of worry off of the customer, you know, having a group of people who really know what they're doing.